Now let's go with a new pattern, guys. Let's go with a new pattern, that is pattern number 18. Pattern number 18. Okay, what is that pattern means? So here all of you initially starting only 1 5 1 5. Okay, here also just to 5 like this coming, right? Okay, and here what is there, 5 4 3 2 1 like this. But now the same way, let's see the beginning. I want display all the fives. Then next all fours 4 times. Then three times. Okay, 3 times, and two times, and one only one time, guys. One and only one time. Okay, so this is the pattern. Now we try. So I copy this one. I'll open the paint here. Right. So all of you guys observe. Right. So we'll take same I values which represents the rows, and J which represents the columns. These are the J. Okay. So what are the first time I values? The first time I value, I will take suppose I1, then I2, then I3, I4, and I5. First time I values. Right. So I1, then I2, okay. So I take small changes here. Right. So the first one, when I value 1, this is the row. When I value 2, this is the row. 4 times 4 coming. When I value 3, 3 times 3 coming. When I value 4, 2 times 2 coming. And when I value 5, so 1 time 1 coming. Okay. Right. Now let's take J iterations. J, which represents the columns. Which represent the columns. Okay. What's first one? J is the 1. Means when I value 1, so this is the first iteration. First iteration like that. When I value 2, so when I value 1, J2. When I value 3, J3. When I value 4, J4. When I value 1, J5, guys. Okay. So means when I value 1, it iterates 5 times. When I value 1, it iterates 5 times. J iterates 5 times. When I value 2, J iterates 1 time, then 2 times, then 3 times, and then which one? 4 times. When I value 2, J iterates 4 times. Next, when I value 3, J iterates how many times again? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. When I value 4, J iterates only 2 times. Only 2 times. When I value 5, J iterates only 1 time. That's all. All of you guys. Now observe here. Right? So for this one, I make the iterations. All of you observe. Let me write here iterations. Iterations. When I value 1, then what are the J values? When I value 2, what are the J values? I write here. All of you. When I value is 1, at the time J, how many times iterating? 5 times. How many times iterating? 5 times. And each time, what is displaying? 5 displaying. All of you observe now. When I value 1, J 5 times iterating, and each time what is displaying? 5 displaying. Okay. Next, when I value 2, J iterates only 4 times. Generates only 4 times, but each time again what displaying now? 4 displaying. Each time 4 displaying. When I value 3, generates how many times now? 3 times. And each time what is displaying now? 3 displaying, okay? And when I value 5, when I value 4, then generating just 2 times. When I value 5, when I value 5, generates only 1 time. The time 1 displaying. Alaf, I'm writing here iterations. How many? First time 5 iterations, next 4 iterations, next 3 iterations, 2 iterations, and 1 iteration. And each time displaying value is different. First time 5 displaying, second time 4 displaying, next 3, next 2, next 1, like that. Okay. So these are the which one iterations. As per the iterations, now I'm going to make a program. I'm going to make a program as per the iterations. Now 17th hour, let me take the 18th pattern. I will take here pattern 18, right? So let's take here, enter n number of rows, then n equal to, right? Generally we consider as a 5, as a 5. For I in range of how many times iterating? 5 times to discover starting one, then n plus 1, okay? N plus 1, guys. Then for j in range of, for j in range of, now first time when I value 1, when I value, I'll observe now, just observe, when I value 1, when I value 1, j must iterate how many times? 5 times. How many times? 5 times. 5 times, okay? So 5 times, then what we do now? So again, start 5 iterations, right? And it starts from where? 1 onwards, right? So let me take the 1, starting 1, ending how many must be there? 5. Ending how much here? Okay. So 5 times iterating, right? Then I will take suppose n. If I take the n, for example, what's n value? 5. So then 5, n value 5. 5 before means 4. It takes only 4. 1, 2, 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will not come. Then n plus 1. If I take like this, then n value 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 means what? 1, 2, 5. 5 will come. So first time 5 will come. When I value 2 also, when I value 2 also, again what come again? Same, right? It's fixed one now. Again 1 to 5 will come. Again 1 to 5 will come. Like this. Again 5 iterations coming. 5 iterations coming. But second time iteration must decrease, right? Second time number of iterations must decrease. That's why we should include I here. I'll take now, first time I value 1, right? Then take the 2 plus I now. 2 plus I. 2, sorry, minus, decreasing, right? N plus 2 how much? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 1 now. Next to minus 2. Next to minus 3. Next to minus 4. Means decreasing number of iterations, right? So n plus 2 means how much here? N plus 2 means 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. N value 6 means 5 will come. That is okay. That is the when I value 1. When I value 2, when I value 2 here, when I value 2 here, then so 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. End value 5 means it takes up to 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 only, like this. Next, when I value 3, when I value 3, I'll observe. When I value 3 here, so 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. End value 4. 4 before 3. It takes up to 3 only. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 only. When I value 3, then it is 1, 2, 3 only. When I value 4, when I value 4, all of observe now. When I value 4, n plus 2 how much? 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. End value 3. End value 3 means it takes one value before, that is 2. Means 1, 2, 2 only. It takes only which one? 1, 2 only. Next, when I value 5, then it takes what? It takes I value 5, right? I value 5 here. I value 5. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. End value 2 means it takes up to 1. So starting one, ending one means only one time iterates. That's why in I value 5, it is 1. That's all of you. Right? So these are the iterations, okay? These are the 5 iterations, 4 iterations, 3 iterations, 2 iterations, 1 iteration. And each time, what is displaying here? First time, 5 displaying, all 5. Next time, 4 times 4 displaying. Next time, 3 times 3 displaying. Next time, 2 times 2, and 1 time, 1 displaying, okay? For that one, what we print now? Suppose if you print, n, n means always 5, 5, 5, 5 will come, right? Okay, so I take now n minus I, guys. N minus I. N means what? First time n means what now? 5, right? So 5 minus, but first time I value, first iteration of odds I value 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. So first time only 4 coming. 5 not coming, right? 5 not coming. Then I take what here? I plus 2 minus 1, then minus I plus 2 minus I, guys. What's n value first time? N value 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Oh, 6 coming. Then let's go with plus 1 minus I. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 1. I value 1, 5. So whenever j 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what displays now? Commonly 5 displaying. When j value 1, 5 displaying. When j value 2, 5 displaying. When j value 3, 5 displaying. When j value 4, 5 displaying. When j value 5, also 5 displaying. That means that I1 over. Coming to I2, second row. What's j value now? 2. What's j value? 2. N plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4, right? So now, when j value 1, 4 displays. When j value 2, 4 displays. J value 3, 4. J value 4, 4. Means whenever this 4 times, what displaying here now? 4 displaying, like this. All of you. And here, we take which one? N equal to space. Want the space between unit number, right? Once all over, to go to new line, I take the empty printer, all of you. Yes. Now I'll give the some number here, something 5. 5, you can see now. All of you guys. Everybody clear this one? Right? So give any number. Suppose I am giving the 10. I am giving the 10 like this. First 10, 10 times, 9, 9 times, 8, 8 times, 7, 7 times, 6, 6 times, like that. Okay. So now, when I value 1 means first row, right? First row, when I value 1, j how many times now? Repeating 5 times. Each time what is displaying here? 5 displaying, right? So, when j value 1, 5, j value 2, 5, j value 3, 5, j value 4, 5, j value 5, 5 also. Okay, so means first time I means first row. So j 5 times iterating. Each time what is displaying? This is displaying each time. Okay, all of you. Next, once all j iterations over, means how many times over now? 5 times over. Then go for new line. Means new I value. New I value. Second I2. When I2, how many times j iterating now? How many times j iterating? 4 times. 4 times when I value 2. If I 2, this is what now? 4 only. So 4 displays how many times? 4 times. Okay, 4 times. That means 4 space, 4 space, 4 space, 4 space. That's all. Next line now. Means when I value 3, when I value 3, how many times jet rating? 3 times. When I value 3, this is what now? This is what here displaying 3 only, right? So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, 3 only. So 3 times 3 display. When j value 1, j value 2, j value 3, that's all. Next, when I value 4, how many times now? J 2 times. But j value 4. So here 4 means what? 4 means what here? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 4 means 2. So 2, how many times displaying now? 2 times 2 displaying, right? Okay. So when j value 1, when j value 1, 2 displaying. When j2, 2 displaying. The same way, last, when I value 5, which one displaying again here? 1 displaying, that's all. Only one time, 1 displaying. All of you. Everybody clear this one? All of let me know, guys. Everybody's clear? Okay, right.